Welcome, woodshop students. We're ready for another video. This time, we're going to learn how to lay out the dovetail pins. It's tough, pay attention.
Okay, make sure you're working on the right corner. In this case, we are working on corner A. Those are the insides, and I'm going to mark the top. We need to hold the corner in place so that I can project the silhouette of the dovetails down from the face onto the side. So I'm going to start out by lightly clamping the sideboard so that I can move it up and down. Now I can drive the top one down on the end and get them to line up perfectly. I'm going to check to make sure that I'm lining up the inside corner with the inside corner. Get the two sides perfectly lined up and then trace the silhouette of the dovetails.
Now he has his revenge.
Now I'm going to draw the perpendicular lines for the pins. Using the dovetail tool, I get the 90-degree side and I draw lines at the corners of each of the pins. Looks good. Now I'm going to draw an X on all the parts I will be cutting out. This is the waste part of the material.